We are in the kitchen, and the fish tank is still just amazing. We have added a few, we've posted them a couple times already. They have just acclimated like nobody's business. There might be somebody hiding under there. That's how much sand they've moved. Across the front you can see it. I love using the sand. Never thought of it. It's an amazing thing. I think Salty Underground might even own a patent on using sand. You might want to check with them. saltyunderground.com. They did a wonderful job. Oh my. Oh, we still got the red light underneath. It's amazing. It looks like. Oh, there's Bruno. Right in the middle. He's a little shy now because he's getting fat. Aren't you getting fat? But yet he's always eating and always hungry. So over here, the heater's back there. We put in a new filter. Bruno, you gotta get out of the way. Put in a new, not a new filter, but we changed the hoses on the filter. That worked out very well. Okay, everybody have a good night. Oh, Bruno's right there. Say good night. Good night, everybody.